Subscribe to AAN Creation and press the bell icon for latest videos. Welcome again, friends. On Microsoft Edge, Chromium Collection is a new feature designed to help you to easily collect text, images, videos, and other content into a note page. When using collections, a new flyout will appear from the right side, where you can drag and drop content from the web. It'll format the content correctly, and it'll even add a footnote with link references of the sources that you used. Microsoft is targeting collections as a general-purpose tool that you can use for anything. If you shop online, the feature will help you collect and compare products. If you're a teacher or student, collections can help you organize your web research and create your lesson plans. Or if you're an event or trip organizer, it'll help to group all the info you need as well as ideas to plan your event or trip. Collections for Chromium Edge still under development, but you can enable it manually to give it a try in the latest Canary version of the browser. In this video, you'll learn the steps to enable the collections in Microsoft Edge for Windows 10. Use these steps to enable Microsoft Edge collections. First, you need to open Microsoft Edge Canary and type the following path in the address bar. Next, use the drop-down menu on the right and select the enabled option, and click the Relaunch Now button. Once you complete the steps, collections will enable next to address bar, and it'll be ready to start collection links, images, and more at your fingertips. Next video I will show you how to use collections in Chromium Edge.